Alright, so check it out. I'm using OBS, free screen recorder software you can download. Really great software to have. So I'm recording that, or using that to record this screen. And I'm just going to play a little bit of this, go to full screen, and just let that run for a minute. And once we have our recording from the screen, OBS is going to make this file right here, this .mkv. But you will need to remux that to get it into MPEG streamclip. So you just go here in OBS, you just go to Remux Recordings, select the recording you want to remux, which in this case is right here, this YouTube graphics for encode.mkv. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to tell the target file to just go to the desktop, just for demonstration. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to hit remux, and it's going to say it's remuxed, and then I'm going to close that, move OBS out of the way here, and then you can see right there is our MP4 graphics file, and that's just the recording I did on OBS of the YouTube video. Once we have that, then we can open MPEG streamclip. We're going to go to File, Open Files, and I'm going to select this guy on the desktop, which we just remuxed, this .mp4. That's how you know. If you don't remux it, you won't be able to see it in OBS. I'm sorry, in streamclip. You won't be able to see it. So if you see it, you can open it. You're good. Now, once you have this in streamclip, you want to transcode it. So, important to note here, if you do export to other formats, it doesn't work. I couldn't get it to work. So, I'm going to go to Export to QuickTime. That's going to bring up this box. Also note, you have to have QuickTime installed on your machine. It's free. You can download it from Apple. You're looking for QuickTime 7. Anyway, once you install QuickTime, you just pick the compression that you want. We're going to use DXV for this, but you can also use HAP or NotchLC, which I don't see in this list, but that is compatible. Oh, there it is. NotchLC also is compatible with the Skies, as is HAP. But we're going to use DXV. Most of this stuff you don't have to worry about. 1080 is 1920 by 1080 is what we're going to be using just because it's normal. I'm unscaling it. I do not have interlace scaling on because this is not interlaced video. None of the other changes, I don't want to change any of this other stuff because I'm not doing any of that. I can hit options here. There's no alpha channel, so that's fine. So really the only thing I've changed is just selected the compressor. And I'm doing DXV. Then I'm going to hit make movie. Tell it the destination. Again, I'm just going to put it on the desktop to make it easy. And then it's going to go through and encode that guy. Okay, once you've got that encoded, then this is the encoded file right here just for reference. You can tell the difference now is that it ends in .mov, and that's what Disguise is going to want to see, that .mov file extension, which just means it's a QuickTime wrapped file. I'm going to go down here and launch D3. We're just going to use this start project. Open up objects, video file. I'm going to drag this encoded file. I'm just going to copy it into the video file folder. And go back to my project. I am going to run this in project assistance mode, or in assistance mode, just for the sake of the graphics card. It just uses a little bit less system resources. You would never run it this way for show, but just because I'm recording the screen while I'm doing this. Okay, and then I'm going to create a video layer, media, video. We should see here YouTube graphics for encode. Select that guy, go fit to contents, just because that's what I always do. And there we go. Now we'll put a split there and loop this. And you can see that it's onto the screen from YouTube. Bada bing, bada boom. Hope that helps.